are making egg fried rice the Asian way, directed by Uncle Roger.
For one portion of egg fried rice, at least 5 cloves. Asian people love garlic.
First, we're gonna prep the garlic and the shallots.
Asian people, when we cook, all we need is one knife.
I'm using one of these knives.
Shallot is better version of onion. Don't use onion for your egg fried rice.
Now shallots instead of onions. These shallots are really making me cry, guys. Like, seriously. But Uncle Roger said onions are for poor people, so I'm using shallots. Well, I borrowed a wok because I don't have one, and I have to do it the Uncle Roger way. Real fire, not induction stove. We're gonna use one chili because I don't want it too hot.
Last thing you need to chop is chili.
This chili is really burning my mouth. I would not expect chilies to be this hot. These chilies are killing me. Hiya.
We chop spring onion. This is another classic Asian ingredient.
These are our green onions, or spring onion.
Whisk egg with chopstick.
I'm using chopsticks just like Uncle Roger.
For egg fried rice, you have to use leftover rice.
We're getting day-old rice that has been in the fridge for a day. Mind you, we're making enough for 2 people. Oh my god. We're gonna use a wooden spoon because the ladle's too hard for me, so we're just gonna use the wooden spoon.
You also need soy sauce, Asian sesame oil.
This smells like a good Asian dish. This is the sesame oil.
Of course, we must not forget the most important ingredient, MSG.
Here is Uncle Roger's most important ingredient, MSG. We're supposed to get salsa, but I have this one, and it's the same thing. The last ingredient, the garnish, the spring onion. Fooya! The sesame oil is like, it smells really good. We're gonna try some now. That is really good. For homemade egg fried rice, the Uncle Roger way, it's good. Fooya!